You are not hidden. There's never been a moment you were forgotten. You are not hopeless. Though you have been broken, your innocence stolen. I hear you whisper underneath your breath. I hear you whisper you have nothing left. I will send out an army to find you in the middle of the darkest night. It's true, I will rescue you. There is no distance cannot be covered over and over. You're one of faces. I'll be your shelter, I'll be your armor. I will send out an army to find you in the middle of the darkest night. It's true, I will rescue you. I hear you whisper underneath your breath. I hear you whisper you have nothing left. I will send out an army to find you in the middle of the darkest night. It's true, I will rescue you. I will send out an army to find you in the middle of the darkest night. It's true, I will rescue you. I will rescue you.
Yeah, girls!
Girls, the harmonies in those choruses were absolutely spot on. It was stunning. The ending was gorgeous when you went into your head voice there, but just the softness just to finish off, that was absolutely gorgeous. The one thing I would say is it was very low for both of you. I think if you took it up even just by a semitone, just slightly, because you're more than capable of hitting those harmonies a little bit higher. And I think it would have been in a more comfortable place for both of you, because it was very, very low. Even if it's just a semitone, it would have made it a little bit easier for you to reach. You could have really pounded out those low notes. But all in all, fabulous performance. I really enjoyed it. Well done.
Thanks, Lou, Anya. Oh, I absolutely love you both singing this song because it complements you both so, so well. I mean, in this song, when you first sang it as well, everything was on point. Again, everything was on point this time, you know? It was like the separate vocals and then combined in the harmonies, everything was just where it needed to be exactly. And you actually give me goosebumps, which is, we all know, very rare, very rare. But it was incredibly beautiful, and it was like really haunting in some places as well, where you were both in like your lower tones, and then when you went to falsetto towards the end, it was incredible. Well done, girls.
Thank you, Anya. Kelly?
Yeah, this was a moment for you when you sang this the first time round, and I think we got to see why again tonight. That song just works so well for the both of you, and obviously because you haven't been able to get together and practice as a duo, it was really evident that individually your vocals had sort of like improved, because when you were singing individually you had there was just so much more control there, and then you came together then for those beautiful harmonies. It was just absolutely on point. It was an absolutely fantastic performance. You should be really proud of that, girls, especially with the difficulties you faced. That was amazing. Well done.
Thanks, Kelly. Joey?
Girls, I've been waiting for this. I've been dying to see you both sing this song again on that stage. And do you know what? It really was. It really like touched my heart. I was like, oh, there they are. And like I said, you know, the other choice, we didn't have much time to practice. Like, yeah, I get that. But this is something, and I suppose everyone can see the difference between the two. This is a massive step up again. And I've got to be honest, I thought you sang it even better than the first time round. And the first time round it was fab. But the way you looked calm and relaxed and in the moment. And like I said, this is the final. And I don't just want to talk about tonight's performance. I want to talk about your journey and how far you've come, girls. Because like I said, we've had 9 months of hell, all of us. And it's been difficult. But you know what, it's so nice. And I hope you're getting that bit of buzz being back up there, because it's so nice to see you both up there, girls. And I can't wait to see what happens from you with you in future. You know where I am and everything like that, and I can't wait to see what comes from it. But like I said before, there's so much potential between the both of you. You both offer so much difference, but you know, as soloists. But when it comes together, I really do feel like there's something special there. And like I said, we're still growing, we still get on the way. But let me tell you now, for how quick you've grown, and as a duo, and working it with somebody else, and having to separate vocals and that in such a short time, 2 months out of the blue, and then a massive gap, and then back into this, honestly, is a huge achievement where you are at. It really is. It's a credit to you, honestly. So well done, girls. I thoroughly enjoyed that.